So we're going to use this anywhere niche, and we're going to show you how simple and easy it is to get this thing into this wall. I should be able to just open it up. And there's my niche hole. All right, today we want to show you guys a really cool product. This is called the Aria Anywhere Niche. This thing is really cool because it allows you to add a recessed niche in any wall that's drywall, and when it's mudded and taped in, it's completely flush with the wall, just like the Aria vents are. If you're like us, you're always looking for clean ways to hide things like wires, or in this case, because this is a TV, we're going to be hiding the box that the cable comes through. So for this purpose today, we're going to be using this on its side, and we're going to be using this tucked into this area of the wall so that they can hide the components for the TV. And that way the TV can sit nice and flat against the wall. So we're going to use this anywhere niche, and we're going to show you how simple and easy it is to get this thing into this wall. So I'm sure you guys are aware we have lots of fancy tools to cut drywall, but for simplicity purposes, we're going to show you that you can do this kind of thing with something as simple as just a drywall jab saw. So first thing we're going to do, once we have the general idea of where our niche is going to go, is we just want to make sure that the square we cut out, or in this case the rectangle that we cut out, is square, plumb, and level on the bottom. And because we know there's a stud here, we're going to put blocking on either side, but we're going to use this stud as our reference point, and we're going to make sure that we hit that stud with this side here. I'm going to use a torpedo level here to make sure that I am nice and level, and I'm going to trace the shape of the box so I know where to cut the drywall. So this is now going to be cut out, and the niche is going to slide right into that. You want to know why they call it a jab saw? Because you got to jab it to start. Jab. That's all. You can say, whenever you're cutting a hole for something that's going to slide in, you're better off cutting it a little bit bigger, especially knowing that you have that coverage with the flange. So if you go tight to the actual shape, sometimes it's hard to get it in, you can damage the wall. Give yourself a little bit of clearance by cutting it a little bit bigger. I'm just going to take an X-Acto now, and I'm just going to score the drywall on that line. We'll connect the dot there. So we've got our mark now. Theoretically, I should be able to just open it up, and there's my niche hole. So there's the piece of drywall that I've removed. Now, I take my anywhere niche, I slide it in, and that puppy is ready to be screwed, taped, mudded, sanded, and it's ready to go. What do you think? Oh, I think you could use that anywhere. Whoa! Oh, never mind, that won't work anyways.